Hello everyone, welcome to the Manager. Today, I'm going to show you how to secure your website using the HTTP header. Now, the HTTP header is a server-side header that tells the browser what to allow and not to allow on your website. It also helps to improve data transfer between your web browser and your web server. The HTTP security header is invisible, yes, but it works effectively. Now, to check the security of your website, there are diverse tools to use. You can use this securityheader.com, yeah. Then you can also use the various total, yes. So these tools actually helps to monitor the security of your website, malwares and all that. But the most widely used one is the security header, which we have here. Now, as you can see, this is staging.damanager.net. Yeah, this one is well secured, except for the fact that it does not have the content security policy. Yeah, but the fact that it's having here, yeah, shows is well secure. Now, this site is very secure. Yes. So what I'm going to do, this is a new site. It does not have much content yet or any content. I would want to check the security of the site to see how secured it orange.think.com. So I'll just copy my domain, then I'll remove this, paste it. So to check the security of your website, you copy your domain. Yeah, you don't need this. Your domain, you put it here, then you scan to see how secure your website is. So then I'll just click on scan. So this is it. The website is not secure. As you can see, we don't have the content security policy, the S-frame option, the referral policy, the permission policy. Yes, so to know much about this, you can see missing headers. So your website is not secure. You can just go through it. Now, how do we then secure this website? How do we make it very secured? To do this, first, you will log into the cPanel of this website, which I have here. So when you log into the cPanel, you go to your file manager, or not your file management, click on your file manager, then click on the public HTML. Now, this is your public HTML. So we're going to edit the core file, which is your htaccess. So before editing it, first thing you will do, ensure you download it. In case you make a mistake, then you can, put it back. So download it first, so which is what I'm going to do. So I've downloaded it. Okay, now that it has been downloaded, I will just click here to edit. So this is it. So what I will do, I will copy my HTTP header files. Yes, I will copy them. So you can just paste them anywhere in your htaccess. So I will just paste them anywhere here. And I'll just paste them here. Then I'll click on save. So the file has been saved. So now that I've, paste my HTTP header in my core folder, I'll just go back to the security header to rescan. So I'll come here, then I'll rescan this. Whoa, you see now. Initially it was C, now it's A. Everything is showing green. Our site is well secured now. We have our S content type option. We have our permission policy. Our site is as secure as 100%. So this is how you secure your website using the HTTP header. Please, if you find this video very useful, kindly hit the like and the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.